Do you want to easily build a website that is mobile friendly, loads quickly, and has built-in e-commerce? We use Bandzoogle. Start your 30-day free trial today. Link is in the description.
Hello everyone, and Merry Christmas from Tradish. Today, I'm showing you a simple and affordable Christmas gift idea that your friends and family will absolutely love. It's my 3-ingredient, healthy and delicious shortbread recipe. So I'm just going to get straight into the recipe, and I'm going to cream my butter and my honey. So I'm using my favorite raw honey as my sweetener in my Irish shortbread, which I love to do. Check out the link in the description to see why we love to bake with raw honey. I'm using unsalted butter because you can control the salt levels a bit better. You're going to want to make sure that your butter is nice and soft. It's been left out at room temperature for a while. So you're going to want a bit of elbow grease to cream your butter and your honey or your sugar. It takes a lot of work. An old chef's trick is to wrap a towel around the base so that the bowl doesn't shift around as much. But I find that if you sit at a low chair or a sofa and have the bowl in between your knees, it's actually a good position for you to cream easily and comfortably, and the bowl doesn't shift around. So you can tell that your butter is creamed well if it's nice and fluffy and it's a little bit lighter in colour. So shortbread is an ancient Scottish recipe that was served around Christmas time because it was considered to be so expensive, and that was because of its really high butter content. And really all that's in shortbread is wheat, sugar or honey, and butter. It's really simple. My butter and my honey is really well creamed. All that's left for me to add now is my wheat and a pinch of salt. Once they're added in, you're just going to combine the two of them together. Now what you're left with should look a little bit like damp sand, and all that's left to do is butter and line your baking tin or your loaf and put it into a preheated oven. Now you want to tip in your mixture and pat it down into your tin. For this recipe, I've gone with the traditional Irish shortbread look, which are lovely, thick, finger-like slices. And you're going to want to throw this into a preheated oven until it's lovely and golden on top. The oven should be nice and moderate, not too high. I've let my shortbread cool and now I'm going to taste it. It smells lovely and buttery, so let's see how it is. It's the perfect texture. It's lovely and crumbly, buttery and sweet. This makes the perfect Christmas gift. Make sure you check the link in the description to see how you can package this really nicely to give to someone you love this Christmas. And head to tradish.net to get the recipe. This will be perfect on Christmas with a lovely glass of mulled wine sitting next to the fire. Make sure that you check out our Christmas mulled wine recipe that you can also give to someone you love this Christmas. And keep it tradish. Don't nod, don't nod. It's distracting. You're nodding like, yeah. I think I got it. Let's do it again. Irish Christmas gift. Irish Christmas gift.